So the next live question, or the first live question here that we've got is we have exception maps configured to notify any suspended jobs, but it doesn't seem to report any jobs failed in transformation activity. Is it possible to track them, or am I missing something?
Yeah, it's funny you asked the question. You're definitely not missing anything. What you got is correct. There is no inbuilt capability for Kofax to trap or raise an exception code. So if you're looking at the exception map in the system settings, where you can map various exception codes to different exception process maps, there is no exception code that handles capture or transmission related errors. That is a fact. But having said that, there are a few ways that you can still handle suspended jobs within transformation activities. One way to do that would be if you go into the system, again, it's not clear what version of Kofax you're using, but if you're, I think from version 7.3 onwards, this was there. I could be wrong, but if you go into the system settings, I guess it's in the general tab in the system settings, there should be an option that says reject a document in case of an exception. I can't recollect exactly what the right terminology, but have a look for something that says raise exception or reject the document in case of an exception. So you need to set that flag, save the system settings, and restart the services. Now, once that is in place, you need to do a few more steps to handle it. You need to go back to your process maps. Wherever there are transformation related activities, let's say, for example, extraction or classification or image processing, you need to have a look at those activities, and you need to have an additional check after those activities to check if the document was rejected, because this extra setting, what it does is it just rejects the document in case of an error. So based on that status of a document, whether the document is in a rejected state or not, you can have your workflow do something else, maybe send an email to your support team or have some additional logic to handle this automatically. So that's another way. So definitely have a play with it. If you got a bit more guidance, reach out to us. Our team would be able to help you.
Thank you.